Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to install Fusion 360 software. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And be supportive by sharing the video as well. Now let's get straight into the video. To install Fusion 360, first you have to go to the Google, type Autodesk, and click the official website, and under the menu you just click the downloads and click the free product trials. Sorry about my net. And you have to find the product by searching Fusion 360, and that's it. This is a software. You click it and it will take you to another interface. So Fusion 360 allow you to download the software under 3 different categories. So the first one is personal and hobby use, and you can use the software for 1 year and that is free. Now the second option is you can use it for 30 days trial period, and after that you have to pay and use it. And the third one is, as a student you can use the software, but you have to upload documents as a proof, but that is a lengthy procedure. So I strongly recommend you to go with this. So you click this one, and now it will ask you to sign into Autodesk. Now if your email ID is already registered with Autodesk, you don't have to create an account. Else you have to go to create account, give your first name, your last name, your valid email address and your password, and that's it. The account is created. It's a pretty straightforward step and you can finish it within 5 minutes. That's it. Now once your email ID is registered with Autodesk, you go back and give your mail ID, and the password. And that's it. You have been logged into Autodesk site. Now you can see here your interface will be changed to your ID. It is changing. That's it. Click download Fusion 360 now, and you can see your setup is going to get downloaded. Now I am going to pause the download because I don't want to reinstall the software again. Already it is installed in my laptop, and I'm going to cancel the download as well. Now from here on I'll tell you the step-by-step procedure of how to install your software completely. So once the setup is being downloaded completely, you have to make sure 2 things. The first one is your laptop specification should match with the software specification, and the second step is, this is a very important step, go to your Windows, your settings, and under the update and security you have to make sure your window is up to date. That is a very important step, and also your time and date is up to date. Either you should give automatic updation for time and date, and also your window should be up to date. And I have a pending installation, but that doesn't count because my software is already installed. So you have to make sure your window is up to date, and else you have to just check for your update and you have to install it. So once you do that, you are ready to go with the installation. Now you have to click the setup file, and it will ask you to download the software. You just click next and it will start downloading, and once the download is finished, it is around 12 GB, it will automatically set it up for you. So once the installation is finished, it will create a shortcut on your desktop looking similar to this one, and you double click it, and that's it. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 interface. Before we finish the video, I'll just quickly tell one more advantage of Fusion 360. it is giving you the availability to work both online and offline. So when you work offline, all your data will be stored in the hard disk, and if I press this button, it will turn to green and you will start working online. And when you start working online, all your data will be downloaded and saved in the cloud of Autodesk. You can retrieve it through this tab anytime, all the works, what all things you have done. Okay, so and also you can use the same Autodesk account in any laptop apart from your laptop, any laptop, and anywhere across the globe. You can use your mail ID, registered mail ID, and retrieve any file that is in your cloud. So that is the greatest advantage of Fusion 360, and that's it. That's for the day. So guys, start downloading the software now itself and get it installed in your laptop. And if you face any difficulties in between, just mention it in the comment box below. Once again, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And please be supportive by sharing the videos as well.